The Samsung Galaxy A57 5G is shaping up to be a strong mid-range contender with noticeable upgrades over its predecessor, and it is expected to launch in early 2026, likely around February or March as part of Samsung's annual A-series refresh. The phone is rumored to feature a powerful Exynos 1680 processor paired with an advanced GPU, delivering smoother performance for everyday use, multitasking, and gaming. It is also expected to sport a large 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering vibrant colors and fluid scrolling. Camera improvements are anticipated as well, with a more refined imaging system designed to deliver better photos and video than previous models. Battery life should remain reliable for all-day usage, supported by Samsung's software optimizations and the latest Android version with One UI. Overall, the Galaxy A57 5G is expected to deliver a balanced combination of performance, display quality, and features, making it an attractive option in the mid-range smartphone market for 2026.